Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone XR and is it worth installing the iOS 14.7.1 on your device? So let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so if you have already watched my iPhone 11 video, you know that I talked about battery health and how iOS judge your battery health and degradation after updating your battery health. You have probably noticed that whenever you update your iPhone, you do notice that there is a drop in percentage or 2% in the battery health section. So you can check that video out about iPhone 11. I will link it down below the like button, so you can check that video out for information related to that. But in short, the conclusion of that was that just don't worry about the battery health and use your phone as you want to. All right, getting to the topic of this video, which is iPhone XR, is it worth installing iOS 14.7.1 on this device? And the simple answer is yes. If you want to leave the video for right now, you can do it. The simple answer is yes, but I would recommend you guys watching till the end, not because I want watch time, views and all, but okay, and I want that. Obviously, every YouTuber want that, right? Let's get right into this video. Let's go in depth and discuss iPhone XR on this firmware. Alright, so iPhone XR have been a really weird device for me because even on the iOS 15 version that I ran on this device, it was surprisingly well and is sometimes even better than my 12. And why I'm saying it's weird, because a 2-3-year-old device is not really supposed to beat a latest and the greatest device with the latest chipset, But when it comes to gaming, I have heard, I personally do not game at all, So if you want to have my opinion on gaming, it is just that I don't game at all, right? So I'm not the guy to ask about gaming and all. Though the screen on time on the iOS 14.7 have been really awesome for me, because in terms of battery, you won't really get less or more screen on time on the 14.7.1, because the 0.1 updates are just security fixes, and I would recommend you guys to install this update. Why? Especially if you use Apple Pay, because Apple Pay had some bugs which are fixed in this update, and then if you are having some problems related to WhatsApp, it is also fixed. But I'm not really sure, because on my iPhone XR I can't really get this bug happen on my XR, but on my 11 I have been getting this bug, so there is that. But at least on my XR, the WhatsApp bug seems to be fixed, where WhatsApp just get freezed, so it seems to be fixed here. Then talking about performance, the performance seems to be pretty much the same. As I said, the 0.1 updates are basically a S update with majorly focusing on security and bug fixes. So in shortest way possible, I can tell you that it is worth installing this update. And now what's left? Yes, the outro. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I will meet you all in the very next episode. I'm really exhausted, I have been making videos for last 5-6 videos in last 24 hours, so I need some rest. Peace out. I will meet you all in a day or two maybe. I will meet you all soon, right?